Hey guys, Thomas Allen here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite Benningtons in the lineup, the new 22M series. Phenomenal boat, guys, beautiful boat as well. This one's got the absolute red paneling on it. It's got the full blackout package, railings, rub rail, heavy duty rub rail insert as well. Guys, this is a full-size tritoon with the SPS package. Let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, taking a look at the back of the 22M series. This is the swing back. You'll see it's got the fastback option with the speakers in the back. It's got the extended deck, which is standard on this boat. Gives you a little bit more room for hanging out, prepping for water sports, helps with mooring and tying up to the dock. Nice heavy-duty ski tow bar mounted to the structure of the boat. Yamaha 175 show series with stainless steel prop, SPS package, top-of-the-line performance. It's got the nice new and improved lily pad ladder, easy for boarding. Let's take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 22M. Awesome boat, guys. Taking a look at the front here at the bow, you'll see you've got these forward bench seats. You've got this nice inlaid with your cup holders here. Nice little landing strip for your phone. Guys, this boat has also incorporated these drop-down armrests for when you're lounging. Wonderful option right there. You've also got a little storage area for some of your gear. Another little storage pocket right here on the side. Phenomenal boat, guys. Guys, this is the swing back. So this swing back, of course, flips forwards and backwards, but you also have this L-shaped chase lounge here with this seat that kind of converts easily into a side-by-side captain's chair for when you're riding just one-on-one with someone else. Taking a look at the helm, guys, you'll see we've got the Vivid screen. This is going to show you a lot of your engine performance specs, a lot of your systems on board. We also have the Garmin over here for your fish finder and chart plotter. You have some quick access to your stereo, horn, and of course, turning on your power bimini top. Again, guys, power bimini top here in the down position. It's also lighted when it's up and fully extended. Phenomenal boat, guys. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina location. Thank you.